In today's video, I'm going to help you fix that error message which comes when you're uploading your new channel at YouTube. On this channel, we help you grow on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe and smash that bell button so you'll never miss any videos from us. You open Google Chrome and go to Settings. From Settings, we shall look for Site Settings, and then Cookies. Then we click on Block Third-Party Cookies. After doing that, you'll go back to YouTube and try changing your channel art. You'll notice that here you have full access to your device than it was before. I'm looking for my picture for my channel art. As you can see, it is uploading very well, and that is how it works perfectly in 1 minute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. Peace.